Okay, it's the 24th of February, review of the New York session. I'll just get straight into it. I haven't been feeling the May West, we say in Ireland. I haven't been feeling the best for the last few days, so I haven't really been on the charts much. But so this is just a quick review of New York. That was very clean. So I'm on the 4 hour here, so let's go down to the 15 minute. All I had marked up on the 15-minute chart was before New York. So let's actually, this has gone way back. So I should have had this ready. So this is kind of 12:30. So this is 2 hours before New York opened. And what I'd seen is that we had swept this buy side, this high, and we were pushing down, and we inversed this bullish 15-minute gap. So where are we going for? Well, again, just to think, like in my last two videos, I've really focused on unmitigated gaps. So there's an unmitigated 15-minute bullish imbalance, and it's got liquidity just sitting right above it. So that's really all I was looking at when New York opened. So if you go down to, let me see this, that's only 12:30. Ooh, I'm moving the circle, not the chart. So it didn't get tapped into before New York. So that's another thing I was waiting. Like I was just kind of, sometimes before New York this can get tapped into, and then kind of you got to reassess. But where are we now? Two more. Okay, right there I went too far. Right, so this is 2:15 to 2:30, which is 9:15 to 9:30 in New York. So let's go down to the 1 minute. Just have a quick look at what happens. I'm going to delete that circle because it looks ridiculous on the 1 minute. So we have that liquidity, and we have that unmitigated gap. So an unmitigated gap just means that the gap hasn't been tapped into yet. So there we go. We have a 1 minute. We've tapped it. We've got wicks on the end, and then we have it's a small one, but we have this bearish imbalance. So let's just see if that gets inversed. No, it doesn't. So it pushed down a bit further. So I can't really recall which one. There you go. So we have a strong inversion there, very strong. I did mark up a trade, before this 1 minute closed. I think it was about here because about 10 seconds before it closed, I assumed it wasn't going to come down and close back below this. So if you put your stops below the bodies here, and then where are you targeting? So if you go to the 15-minute again, you'd be targeting that most recent high. You can obviously see it here, which would have been this high, the high that was put in kind of just after London or between London and New York. So if I do that, you can see that blue line. So that's your high there for a 1.5. Or just going further out, there's this high over here. That's kind of your next clearest high. That's 040, 25040. So let's just look at that. What would that have meant? So it would have been a 3.3 hour trade. So anyway, let's just play price forward. Takes that. That could have been your take profit 1, and then come on, take profit 2. So there you go. And then I think that's where current price is up there. So simple. Keep this below 5 minutes. I'm going to kind of frame these trades once if there's clear liquidity and imbalance to be hit. That's all I'm going to look at in London and New York. And if there is, if it comes to fruition and we get a setup, I'll record it. If not, I'll just skip the session. Keep it lean, keep it mine.